Bullish Ergo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $7.34 and $15.98 by 2030. Market investigators accept Ergo could reach $7.34 by 2025. Bearish Ergo market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.30. Ergo presentation. Ergo is a blockchain with DeFi functionalities. It has an interesting mix of top elements from two of the best performing crypto projects, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ergo gets brilliant agreements from Ethereum for its DeFi capacities and utilizations a POW agreement like Bitcoin for getting its organization. Ergo's mining convention is designated Autolycos, which is a changed variant of the mining convention utilized by Bitcoin. This convention is intended to oppose ASIC diggers and enormous mining pools, making it profoundly energy effective. Ergo additionally restricts the digging size for every hub, which further battles the negative natural effect of the POW convention used by Bitcoin. The Ergo token. Ergo has an interesting point of view contrasted with other programmable blockchains like Ethereum, as it doesn't need exchange or gas charges. We will likewise be taking a gander at the typical cost, least cost esteem, most extreme cost, current cost, greatest worth, and any Ergo's endlessly cost rise. This framework's critical benefit is unsurprising improvement costs, permitting engineers to know the specific costs and choose if they wish to fabricate dApps on the Ergo stage. One more variety in the Ergo blockchain is ErgoScript, Ergo's prearranging language. With the Ergo group continually working to make the program safer and effective, the Ergo network is turning out to be more qualified to DeFi applications with time. The Ergo blockchain's local token is Erg. The stage has a POW model, where clients need to purchase or mine tokens on an optional market. Erg tokens are disseminated through block rewards, with a complete stock of around 97 million. What is Ergo? The Ergo blockchain has its own non-custodial decentralized trade called Ergo DEX, utilizing a drawn-out UTXO model. It empowers clients to move liquidity dividing among different stages Cardano organizations and Ergo. ErgoDex depends on the AMM, with tentative arrangements to carry out a request book convention on its liquidity pools. This consolidation of a request book convention with an AMM convention is made conceivable via Cardano's and Ergo's UTXO model. The model takes into account high interoperability and shared liquidity on the two blockchains. Clients are all boosted to help the ErgoDex biological system. The group behind Ergo. Ergo is upheld by a specialist, serious group, from lead designer Alexander Chepernoy to fellow benefactor Dmitry Meshkov. He joined forces up with Meshkov, who matches his aptitude in programming improvement, and the two sent off the Ergo Fundamental Net in July 2019. Ergo Principal Examination. Our Ergo research tracked down the stage to have strong essentials. Underneath, we've talked about a portion of Ergo's top highlights: productivity and dependability for financial backers searching for help in certifiable monetary exchanges. Ergo is the best stage. It can uphold dApps that run typically, permitting clients to execute a plenty of errands with known costs. The stage's brilliant agreements can foresee whether a code will run effectively and the amount it will cost. Openness. Open administrations are a critical element of worry in the digital money market. Frequently, standard clients don't get to use a similar security levels as excavators on a stage. However, not with Ergo. Ergo permits all clients to lead and completely check their exchanges with most extreme certainty without downloading the blockchain. The NIPOPOW framework empowers clients to get to the stage on any gadget, utilizing just 1 megabyte of information. Security. Ergo's Sigma conventions empower clients to do assignments that would some way or another be profoundly costly, hazardous, or absolutely incomprehensible. Ergo furnishes application-level security with trustless contents that can get to blenders without outsider intercession. Ergo specialized investigation. While considering Ergo's possibilities, the venture unquestionably has recognizable attributes that could drive future development. Consolidating a changed POW convention with savvy contracts gives Ergo more prominent energy productivity as a result of higher protection from huge mining pools. The Ergo blockchain additionally doesn't need exchange expenses or gas like Ethereum and others, further bringing down the section limit for potential designers keen on building applications on the Ergo stage. As of recently, Ergo's group appears to have zeroed in more on specialized improvement than advertising. Regardless of that, the Erg coin is as yet seeing critical cost increments and advancing onto extra crypto trades. Assuming the group makes progress toward more broad advertising, Ergo might actually explode. As the stage at present stands, just the future can determine if Ergo's particular mechanical highlights are enough for the stage's development. Ergo current cost. Ergo is presently worth $1.63 USD. Erg has moved 2.17% as of now with an exchanging volume of $903,017. Ergo is presently positioned 228 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $98,912,384 USD. Ergo Value Forecast 2022. Ergo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Erg cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $2.45. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2.28 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Erg is supposed to have a base worth of $1.96. Ergo Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Erg cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Erg will before long outperform $4.08. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Erg's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Erg will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.26 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.59. Ergo Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $5.71 and Erg might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Erg is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.22 and a low of $4.89 in 2024. Ergo Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Ergo effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the Erg coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Erg will be green in 2025. The Erg is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $7.34, with a base cost of $6.52 and a typical cost of $6.85. Ergo Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Erg cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8.48 by 2026, with a base cost of $8.15 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Erg has a most extreme value worth of $8.97. Ergo Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $10.11. On the off chance that Erg figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $10.60. Neglecting to accumulate the help Erg needs by 2027 could